Hello everyone, today I have a package from Ame, and it's Final Fantasy Remake Static Op Aerith dress version. So they have this in Playox Kai too, but I feel like the joints look very weird, so I decided to get the statue instead. So here's the statue, Final Fantasy VII. Here's the side, Aerith. Very nice picture. Let's hope the statue actually looks like this. Here's the back. Here's the other side. And let's open it and take a look. So, a lot of criticism on the Playout Kai where the face scopes are not as good looking as the promo images. And here's the statue version. So let's hope the static arts are better. This is really big. I think it's the same scale. Let me focus. I believe it's the same scale as the Playout Kai, which is why I decided to get these. I have all the Playout Kais of the Final Fantasy remakes. So let's cut this out. So I could probably display this with those. If I choose to, I probably won't, because I have Aerith in her regular costume in the Playout Sky, which I feel like is more appropriate for that display. Ooh, so there's some tape down here as well. Let's get this tape out of the way to cut it. And we could take a look at how cool or not. Oh, it's heavy. It's actually significantly heavier than the Kotobukias that I usually review on this channel. So here it is. Got this imported from Ame. That's how it looks so far. So there's plastic wraps around her legs as well. Just take these off. The stand is nothing special. This reminds me of a. This is really nothing. This stand. There's some magnet pieces here, I guess, that could fit into the peg holes. I'm not sure. Actually, it's not magnet, but it's metal. Okay, so let's put that in there. These stands kind of hard. Okay. The back foot does not want to go. So, okay, so it's different sizes. It looked like might be a little different. So be careful with that. There it is. It's still not in 100%, but I don't want to force it at all. But this is good. Do you see the gap? I really don't want to force this. This is not a cheap piece, but these stands remind me of those McFarlane stands that you come with those 25 figures. Those just an afterthought. But alright, let's take this off the stand. Take a look at Aerith. Oh, focus. So what do we think of? So I'll keep focusing on the back. Aerith here. The hair detail is very nice. Oh, having a hard time focusing. The background's too busy. Skin tone is pretty good looking. Is it dressed? Her hair is very extravagant. Lots of details, shading, bow with flowers, fingers, think the most important part is the head sculpt. The dress is very nice. It's hard plastic, shaded. I just like, I mean, it's can't move. It's not a figure, but I just feel like this looks a lot better than all the joints of the Playouts Kai. I just don't like the joints of like the flesh or like the skin on Playouts Kai. I just thought seamless is the way to go. Here it is. The head sculpt looks, I think it looks really good. I think it looks really good. Here's the front, the dress. She's leaning over, her legs. I think the worst thing about, so I've been getting a lot of defects on my imported figures, but this one looks pretty clean. Really nice. No scratches that I can see. No paint blemishes. Very clean. Yep. Thing looks good to me. I think the only down part is the base. I mean, I'll have to take a look at his instructions to put it on properly, but this is a very cheap base for such a nice figure. So there's painted toes. Okay, nice little detail. Inside toe is also painted. Very nice skin tone. Necklace. Star necklace. And most important part, her face. Yeah, I think this is really good. Very nice. Can't wait for the Tifa static art. I also ordered the dress version of Tifa static art. Will not get the Playouts Kai one. I also have all the remakes of these Final Fantasy Playouts Kai. The remake Final Fantasy VII Playouts Kai. This interest, I can do some reviews, take a close look. If anyone's interested. But this is Aerith dress version static arts from Square Enix. Right? Thanks. Like and subscribe. Let's go look great.